welcome back. Well, with the new year hangover gone, it's now the perfect time to kickstart your 2024 goals.
And if one of your resolutions is to be able to do up your jacket, well, Sunrise nutritionist Sarah Di Lorenzo is here with all the tips to get us started. Morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
How can people set themselves up for success in the new year?
All right, so my guidelines are, first of all, you need to get a plan in place and do your preparation. When you're doing your food prep, make sure you're organising your water intake, your exercise, no stress, avoiding that, sleeping well, avoiding alcohol, and remembering these kind of detox wellness programs are a gift to yourself. So look at it as something really positive to do.
Okay, so how do we start it? You've got a 3-day detox,
yes,
basically just to help hit that reset button.
It is, and this detox I pulled from my third book, 10-10 Kickstart, and I've actually just made all the recipes to show you what it will look like. Now, I've done it with smoothies. If you don't like smoothies, you can actually get the smoothie ingredients and cut them up and put them into a bowl. I always say that to people. So we're going to start our wellness journey feeling good with something with my Wellness and Vitality smoothie, which has got some key ingredients in there, like avocado to lower inflammation, some kiwi in there as well, which is great for gut. So we're kind of on a bit of a gut theme here. Now for lunch, I've got what I call my rainbow salad. I love this salad. Rainbow being everything that's just gorgeous and divine for the gut. The gut loves that. And I've got a yogurt dressing to go over the top of that. And because we may still be feeling a bit gross and bloated, I've got my Beat the Bloat smoothie here with key ingredients to really help with motility and feeling better. And that's just things like mint and chia seeds, apple and pineapple. So that's what day one would look like. And plus you've done your exercise, your
Hang on, is there dinner? So this is...
No, that's breakfast, lunch and
lunch
dinner.
and dinner.
This is 3 days, yeah.
Okay,
yes. And this...
if you stuff it, right? If you stuff it after, say, day one.
That's okay. You know what would I say to you?
What are you foreshadowing?
Don't worry, you just pick up where you left off because we are all
foreshadowing
human.
failure.
Why are you foreshadowing failure on day one?
Because you know that is an absolute possibility. So Sarah
it's a possibility, but this is the how to your why. And the thing is, if you do fall off, you're only human. It doesn't matter. You just pick up again where you've left off, and that's the most important thing in anything you're doing. You don't just go, oh, I'm done. So anyway, you pick up on day 2. So day 2 is the part of my program where we really want to just drive into a lot of antioxidant support. So it's all about fighting cellular damage from all the partying and the cheeses and all that kind of stuff that we've been enjoying. So an antioxidant-rich smoothie, which has got like pomegranates, beetroot, strawberries, everything in there, all that gorgeous purple colour that really helps fight cellular damage. And then I've got these gorgeous, how cute are these? And these are like lunch, which is basically avocado, which is also going to help keep you full in the fats, and a dressing. You can even roll that up and eat it as a wrap. And dinner, we're going to move from antioxidant support into
versatile. Have it as a wrap if you wish.
There you go. See, solutions for everything. And you could even not even use a plate if you didn't want to do any washing up.
They think of next one.
Dinner is my Kickstart detox. It's
like
a curry here.
Yeah.
It's a curry, and the key ingredient here is turmeric. We're really sort of moving in the part of the program to really look at lowering inflammation. So lots of great things in there. Yogurt on top to really help keep you full. And then I've got chickpeas in here, and I always say, never underestimate a chickpea because a chickpea. Yeah, I say that.
If I've heard it once, I've heard it 1,000 times.
Never underestimate a chickpea.
Never
It's got the same
underestimate a
protein as a piece of fish. That's why I say that.
So what if you're getting starving along the way? Any snacks in between? Or you've got to be really strict?
No, snack on nuts for sure. Extra pieces of fruit.
So you can have nuts.
Water intake, keep up with that. Coffee and tea is fine, just no alcohol.
Black coffee?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, they're the smoothies that you say that we have to try.
Yes, these ones here. So this is day 3. So day 3, we're still about lowering inflammation here. And for lunch, I've got this beautiful prawn salad with the miso dressing, a bit more of a little focus on gut health by putting the miso in there. Prawn, of course, the white protein, seeds on top. And because we want to focus on sleep, this is the Sleep Well smoothie here. And Matt, maybe you might want to try the Beat the Bloat, darling.
No,
yeah, and so maybe you might, maybe you might try that.
I was going to say it feels pointed, but it was pointed. And then a bit of darling at the back.
Antioxidant.
Yes, and that's
delicious. Thank you, Sarah.
Amazing.
Thank you,
Sarah.
guys. Thank
you can
you so
find
much.
all of those recipes over on the Sunrise website. Thanks, Sarah.
Thanks, guys.
All right, thank you, Sarah. Well,